Good morning, students. Today, I'll talk about Shelley as a revolutionary poet. In my next video, I'll discuss the poem Ode to the West Wind, written by P.B. Shelley. So, in this video, I would like to share my views about P.B. Shelley as a revolutionary poet, because to understand a poem, it's very important. It is very necessary to know about the poet, its poet, and the events of his time that influenced the poet as well as his writings. What was the impact of the incidences that occurred in his time, and what influenced him, and what is the reflection of the time of the scene that is reflected in his poem. So it is very necessary to understand the scene and situation, the circumstances, the events of the time in which the poet wrote his poems. So in the Ode to the West Wind, what is the reflection? Actually, he reflects the situation of his time. So it becomes very necessary, mandatory to understand the poet as well as the events of his time that occurred during his time. So, in this video, I'll discuss Shelley as a revolutionary poet, because he was a revolutionary poet. He was a revolutionary. So, he wanted to bring some change in society through his writings. Okay, so what was the condition in his time? It must be clear in our mind, so it will be easy for us to understand the poem. Okay, let's start. P.B. Shelley was one of the most eminent Romantic poets and was regarded as the finest lyric as well as epic poet in the English language. Shelley was a revolutionary. He is also called rebel for his idea of revolution in his poetry. He did not believe in the customs and conventions of the world. He revolted against all types of oppressions in society. He was influenced by the French Revolution and the books of various writers in which he saw the flame of revolution in spite of terror. The spirit of that revolution found its expression in Shelley's poetry. Throughout his life, he dreamed of new society, a new world, absolutely free from tyranny and exploration. The keywords of the revolution were liberty, equality, and fraternity. It stood for the natural rights of men and total abolition of class distinction. It played a great part in influencing English Romantic movement. Shelley's revolutionary passion flows from his idealism. Ode to the West Wind expresses the poet's intense suffering at the tyranny of life and his great hope in the bright future of humanity. Actually, Shelley was a revolutionary poet. Okay, so he wanted some change in the society. He did not believe in the customs and conventions of the world. Okay, in his poetry, he wants some change in the society through his poetry. He wants to bring some change in society. He wants liberty, equality, fraternity among people. Okay, so he was very upset when he saw that people are facing different kind of oppressions. They are being oppressed by other higher classes, and they just follow all the customs and conventions. So he did not like it, actually. And then when he saw all these situations in his time, he became very upset and despondent, and then he thought to bring some change in the society. So he started to write poetry, and through his writings he wanted to bring change in the people, among the people, in the youth. He wanted that the youth should come ahead and remove all the customs and conventions of the society. So in many of his poems we find this revolutionary zeal. Okay, so this revolutionary zeal we find in many of his poems, and so through his poetry he wants to bring, he is very he desires to bring some change in the people who are oppressed and cannot feel actually cannot feel free from the conventions of the society.